Hi cutie, today we're going to be doing a VU breath together, breathing practice I should say, and this is one of my favorite techniques to help my body shift from feeling anxiety, worry, a lot of restless energy, essentially when I'm in my fight or flight, to shift back into my parasympathetic nervous system, which is also responsible for rest and digest. Our vagus nerve is essentially a really important nerve in our body that connects from our brain to our gut and also connects all of our major organs. This will help stimulate and vibrate the vagus nerve and essentially signal to our body to relax and calm down. It's a 3-part breath. I generally like to do this at least 5 times. So I'm going to walk you through each component and then we're going to do this 5 times together. The first part of this is you'll just take a normal inhale, and on the exhale you'll make the VU sound and carry that through the entire exhale. That is part 1. Part 2, same deep inhale, and on the exhale you'll breathe out as if you have a pane of glass in front of you and you're trying to fog that glass with your breath. So like sometimes it can also help to put your hand out in front of you. You should feel some heat coming from your exhale as you are fogging up the glass. The third and last part of this breath is also a deep inhale. And on the exhale, we choose an affirmation to then slowly release and repeat. So for instance, if we say, I am safe, it'll sound like this. I am safe. 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 So as I'm repeating this, I slowly let out a little bit of that exhale at a time until I completely release my breath. So let's do this together. The affirmations that we'll be repeating today are going to be, I am safe, I am worthy, I am love, I am abundant, and let's do I am creative. You can also just choose your own or repeat any one of them throughout the entire practice, whatever feels most natural to you. So here we go. First, you can just take some natural breaths as you go. Prepare your body. If you want to hold your hand to your heart and just give yourself a nice little thank you. Appreciate yourself for showing up, creating a few minutes for this practice. I think that also helps anytime we can consciously send messages to our body to practice gratitude. I am confident that our body is listening and paying attention. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, VU. VU. Inhale. Exhale, fog the glass. Inhale. Exhale, I am safe, 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 I am safe. Second round, inhale. Exhale, VU. VU. Inhale. Exhale, fog the glass. Inhale. Exhale, I am worthy. 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 Third round, inhale. Exhale, VU. VU. Exhale, fog the glass. Inhale. I'm abundant. I'm abundant. I'm abundant. I'm abundant. I'm abundant. 4th round, inhale. Exhale, vu. Inhale. Exhale, fog the glass. Inhale. Exhale, I am love. 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 Last round, inhale. Exhale, vu. Inhale. Exhale, fog the glass. Inhale. Exhale, I'm creative. I'm creative. I'm creative. I'm creative. I'm creative. I'm creative. I like to put my hands to my heart, thank my heart, bring my palms to my third eye, thank my connection to source, my intuition. Thank you so much for joining me for this. Feel free to repeat this as much as you would like, customize it, and create your own practice from this. One last tip to share, I found that it's helpful when doing the deep inhale, that I also am pushing my belly out and really expanding my diaphragm, and on the exhale, doing the opposite reaction, which is basically pull my belly in and really do the full exhale that way. I love you. You are a magical being. You deserve to live and create your dream life. Thanks so much.